Hello everyone, I hope that you all are doing good. So in today's session we will solve this question number 2 of exercise 2.1. Okay, so as you can see here students, the given question is saying that you have to arrange the following in descending order. So first I would like to explain you, just I will revise. Actually you are I hope you might be well known about arranging the given value in descending order. So descending order means you have to start from the biggest and then smaller and then smallest at last. ओके, पहले बड़े नंबर से शुरू करना है, उसके बाद उससे छोटा, उससे छोटा, उससे छोटा, सबसे छोटा. ठीक है. सो दैट इज नोन एज द अरेंजमेंट इन सच अ मैनर इज नोन एज डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर. ओके, नाउ हियर दिस फ्रैक्शन हैज बीन गिवन and now you have to arrange this given fraction in descending order. Now since our childhood students we have been learning how to arrange the given value or whole number in descending order, but here we have to arrange the fractional number. This is the only change. ठीक है. तो हम क्या करेंगे here, how to arrange these fractional number in descending order. So first, as we were performing the operation of addition or subtraction in previous question by converting the fraction in like fraction na, so in similar manner here also first we will convert these given fraction in like fraction and then easily we can arrange them in descending order. Okay, so starting this converting, I am going to convert these all in like fraction students. Okay, now today I will let you know one very easy method how to make these all denominators equal. Okay, so what you have to do for that, you have to take or you have to calculate the LCM of all the denominator 9, 3 and 21. I hope you might be understanding what is LCM. In 6th standard this topic is there and I hope that you are well known about it. Okay, so we have to find out the LCM of these three given denominators. Okay, now so you have to find one number which should multiply, which should be the factor of these all three. So it is nothing but 3. So 3 3 is 9, 3 1 is 3, 3 7 is. Now no more simplification, no more factor is possible. So what will be the LCM? 3 into 3 9 and 9 into 7 63. Okay, so how much we got here? We got LCM is equal to 63. Keep it in your mind students. Okay, now here we got LCM is equal to 63 means we have to make these all denominators equal to 63, and as we were solving the previous question in similar manner we will solve this one also. ठीक है, अभी क्या करेंगे, followed by equal to sign 2/9 है यहाँ पे. ठीक है, so by which number this 9 should be multiplied so that we could manage to get 63. तो which is that number? So it is nothing but 7. ठीक है. Now this one done. Okay, this one done. Now coming to next, here we are having 2/3. Okay, now which number is there which should be multiplied by 3 so that we could manage to get 63. Okay, so it is nothing but which number is there, let us find out. So a 21, yes, right, 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, yes. So here the number is 21. Okay, now this one is also done. Now next fraction is 8/21. Okay, so now by which number this 21 should be multiplied so that we could manage to get 63. So here we will have to multiply by 3. Now it is done. Now what we will do students, ये फ्रैक्शन का इक्विलिब्रियम जो है वो बनाए रखने के लिए क्या करेंगे, यहाँ पे देखो हम डेनोमिनेटर को क्या कर रहे हैं, 7 से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं. तो यहाँ पे डन नहीं होता है क्योंकि सपोज we will multiply only at the denominator, then equilibrium of the fraction, the value of the fraction will get changed na. So we have to perform any operation but keeping in our view that equilibrium of any equation or fraction, here we will talk about fraction, तो इसका equilibrium डिस्टर्ब नहीं होना चाहिए. ठीक है। तो इक्विलिब्रियम को डिस्टर्ब नहीं होने के लिए क्या करेंगे, जो चूंकि हमने डिनोमिनेटर में 7 से मल्टीप्लाई किया था, देन वी विल मल्टीप्लाई एट द न्यूमरेटर ऑल्सो बाई 7. नाउ द इक्विलिब्रियम ऑफ द फ्रैक्शन विल बी मेंटेन्ड. सेम थिंग वी विल डू हियर ऑल्सो स्टूडेंट्स. हियर वी हैव मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 21 at the denominator. So to maintain the equilibrium of the fraction, we will multiply again at the numerator by same and equal amount, that is 21. Now similarly here we multiplied at the denominator by 3. So to maintain the equilibrium of the fraction, we will multiply it by 3 at the numerator also. I will draw one line here students, so that you may not get confused. Okay, now I will clear this. Okay, now the problem is approximately resolved. Now here after performing the operation, we will get 7 to the 14 upon 63 first fraction. Now here we will get 2 1 2, 2 2 the 4, 42 upon 63, and here we will get 8 3 the 24 upon 63. Now as you can see students, we have already managed to get all the fractions, all the like fractions. Now we can arrange them in descending order very easily. कैसा है, जैसे कि मान लो कि यहाँ पे suppose I am having 10 rupees and I have to distribute among 10 students. Then one student will get how much? 1 rupees. And again suppose I have 10 rupees and I have to distribute among 5 students. So obviously one student will get how much? 2 rupees. Means क्या हम देखते हैं इसे कि जब मेरे पास 10 रुपया था और 10 स्टूडेंट थे तो एक को 1 रुपया मिल रहा था. जब मेरे पास 10 स्टूडेंट थे और 10 रुपया था, 5 स्टूडेंट को देना था, तो एक को 2 रुपया मिल रहा है. ठीक है, तो यानी कि यहाँ पे डिनोमिनेटर ज़्यादा था तो वैल्यू क्या था? कम था. यहाँ डिनोमिनेटर कम है तो वैल्यू क्या है? ज़्यादा है. नाउ यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आई मीन टू से स्टूडेंट्स, कि यहाँ पे देखो डिनोमिनेटर तो हमारा सेम है. ठीक है, यहाँ पे ये स्टेप समझने का है. डोंट सी, लिसन टू मी वेरी केयरफुली. ये समझने का है, ये डिनोमिनेटर हमारा सभी सेम है. ठीक है, अब हम न्यूमरेटर के बेसिस पे इनका वैल्यू को डिसाइड करेंगे कि कौन बड़ा है और कौन छोटा है. अब देखो ये 14 जो है वो 63 पार्ट्स में बटा हुआ है. व्हाट इज दिस? 14 अपॉन 63 मीन्स व्हाट? 14 हैज़ बीन डिवाइडेड इनटू 63 parts. Okay, similarly here 43 has been divided into 63 parts. Okay, so here the value of numerator is greater. Now similarly here 24 has been divided into 63 parts. So obviously see this one, that is 42 है ना. 42 when it will be divided into 63, then it will have more value, and then this one 24 divided by 63, then next value this one will have, and least value this 14 upon 63 will have. Okay, or you can say as numerator is having greater value, that fraction is also having greater value when we are talking about like fractions. ठीक है, ये न्यूमरेटर जितना बड़ा होगा उस फ्रैक्शन की वैल्यू उतनी ज़्यादा होगी. तो हमें इसे डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में अरेंज करना है. सो 42 अपॉन 63, देन ग्रेटर दैन 24 अपॉन 63, ग्रेटर दैन 14 अपॉन 63. So this is your question students. I hope you understood it. Now in the same manner we will solve this next segment students. Again here we will find out the LCM of 5, 7 and 10. So let us find out 5, 7 and 10. So here 5 1 ja 7 as it is 2 ja. No more simplification possible. So 5 2 ja 10, 7 ja 70. Okay, how much we got students? How much we got LCM? LCM is equal to how much we got? 70. Now we have to find out one number here which should be multiplied by this number so that we manage to get 70. ठीक है, अभी यहाँ पे 1 upon 5 था. अभी इसे किस नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करें कि हमें 70 मिल जाए? Let me see the LCM. 5 1 ja 5 2 ja 7, 5 7 ja 35, 35 2 ja 70. Okay, now 5 into 10 50, So here the number is 14. Okay, 14 5s are 70. Okay, now this one is done, not done. At last again we will solve like that, or here only you can solve it. So since you are multiplying the denominator by 14, so you will have to multiply the numerator also by 14. Now it is done. Now next one is 3/7, 3/7 है, 70 मुझे चाहिए, तो यहाँ पे 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, ठीक है। चूँकि हम न्यूमरेटर को डेनोमिनेटर को 10 से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं, तो न्यूमरेटर को भी 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे। ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट वन 7/10, सो वी हैव टू गेट हियर 7/10 इंटू 7, यहाँ 7 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 70 मिल जाएगा, ठीक है। अभी चूँकि हम डेनोमिनेटर को 7 से मल्टीप्लाई किए हैं, तो न्यूमरेटर को भी 7 से मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा। नाउ इट इज डन। अब क्या करेंगे, वी विल परफॉर्म द ऑपरेशन एंड देन वी विल अरेंज देम इन डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर। सो 14 1 जा 14/70, नेक्स्ट 10 3 जा 30/70, नेक्स्ट 7 7 जा 49/70. So as I told you, as the numerator value is greater, that fractions value is also greater. Why? Because all the denominators are same. So here this one is having more value, so 49/70 will have greater value, then 30/70 will have greater value, and last will have 40/70. So this was your question number 2, students. I hope you understood it. We'll meet you in the next video. Till then, all of you stay safe, take care, bye bye.